Okay. Alright, Mutant Lobo bars, 8.5 rise, 28 wide. They're nice, had them for a year. Vans cold grips. They're really nice. Yeah, they don't wear down very fast. Oddsy Springfield lever. It was alright, cheapest one I could find. Don't know what brake cables. Attila front and stem. They stopped getting made ages ago. Blank gyro. It's a stolen, stupid head cap. This is rubber. It's horrible. And Amity RD forks with the roundabout dropouts. They're sick. The wheel never falls off, as it's done to me before. Some muddy 5th half tyres. 20.3 in the back and 20.10 in the back front. Yeah. Okay. One skate parks. Represent. They're building our bowl.
Shout out.
Which should be done by the end of next month. Some Buff stickers. Sponsored our jam because we love Buff. Alright, the frame is an Amity RD frame. 20.7 chop tube length. It's so nice, easy for manuals and whips and other pro stuff. Vertical Valentine cranks, a bit muddy. Oh, Anderson's Christmas. They're doing quite so nice. 20.75 mil. Colony Plastic Fantastic pedals, best pedals in the world. Never wear down. They're just like make my life. Kiss Bikes Co. Cutter sprocket. Little sprockets, I needed one. Halford's chain. Nothing beats Halford's. Best people in the world. Stay strong, C. Yeah, stay strong, psych. That is the good stuff. My lucky little bracelet. Odyssey Springfield brake caliper. It's so nice, has like a spring instead of other normal brakes, so it's really nice. With the ghost pads, they're really nice as well. Another muddy 5th half tyre. Blank bottom bracket. Female hubs on exposure wheels. They're gay, but they work and they sound quite nice. I'll spin it. That's my bike check. Okay.